Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Schooling Street. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to show connected Wi-Fi passwords with command prompt. Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Let's start. First of all, open your search box and write CMD. After this, click on command prompt. After this, command prompt will be opened. I want to share one trick with you. If you want to change the color of your command prompt, just right click on command bar, select properties. From here, select colors. From here, screen background color you can change. Also, screen text color you can change. And press OK. After this, close this window and again open this. Write CMD and hit enter. Now you can see the command prompt has been changed. Now I want to show the connected Wi-Fi networks list here. Write netsh wlan show show profile. Right. After this, hit enter. Now you can see the user profiles are here. Mean to say your connected Wi-Fi networks are these. First number is YouTube _ schooling city. Second is dreams, and the third one is national pharmacy. If you want to show the password of your connected Wi-Fi networks, you need to write the same command netsh wlan show profile space. After this, write the name of your SSID. Mean to say the user profile or connected Wi-Fi network name. In this case, dreams. The second one. After this, space. Here, write key clear. KEY is equal to clear. After this, press enter. After this, you will see a lot of options regarding to this Wi-Fi network. You can see A to Z information. If you can see security settings, you can see a lot of options. Security key present and the key content. Mean to say the key is security key. The password is schooling street. The connected Wi-Fi network dreams have the password of schooling street. In this way, you can show any connected Wi-Fi network password. It's easy. If you want to write the same command that you have been entered at last time, you just need to press and hold F1 key. If you press and hold F1 key, the last command will be entered automatically. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos. Allah Hafiz.